Now, dear students, today we will learn how to solve the linear equation in two variables by elimination method. This is the easiest method. Suppose we are taking two equations from 3.41 to 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. That is equation number 1. Another equation is 2x minus 2y is equal to, that is equation number 2. Now what to do? We have to either equate these two things or the coefficients of y. Here coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of x is 2. So you can multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. They will be equal. Or in y, this is 4, this is 2. So if you multiply this equation by 2, these coefficients will be equal. I am doing by this method, multiplying this equation 2 by 2. So multiplying equation 2 by 2, we get, हमें की पाउँछु 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. This is equation 3. And equation 1 was 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This was equation 1. Now just by adding, now by just adding, what we get? Minus 4y plus 4y cancelled. 3x, 4x, that is 7x. 10 plus 4, that is 14. Or x equal to 14 by 7, that is 2. Putting this value, putting x equal to 2 in equation 1, what we get? 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 10, or 6 plus 4y is equal to 10, or 4y is equal to 10 minus 6, that is 4. Therefore y is equal to 4 by 4, that is 1. So x equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the answer. Just check. 2 1, 3 2 ja 6, 4 1 ja 4, 6 plus 4 10. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 4 minus 2, that is 2, correct. But I am doing it by equating the coefficients of x. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This was equation 1. And 2x minus 2y is equal to, this was equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 2. 3 dot 2 ka LCM 6. So we are making 3 6 and 2 also to 6. So 3 2 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. We get, हमें की पाउँछु 6. This equation by 2. So 3 2 ja 6x plus 4 2 ja 8y is equal to 2 10 ja 20. Make this 3. And this equation by 3, whole equation by 3. So 3 2 ja 6x minus 6y is equal to 3 2 ja 6. Make it equation number 4. Now these two are correct, equal. This is also plus, this is equal. So subtracting means this plus sign will be changed to minus, this minus sign will be changed to plus, this plus sign will be changed to minus. So 6x minus 6x cancelled, 8y plus 6y, that is 14y, 20 minus 6, that is 14. Therefore y is equal to 14 by 14, that is equal to 1. Putting y is equal to 1 in equation suppose 1, we get, what we get? 3x plus 4 into 1 is equal to 10, or 3x equal to 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. Therefore x equal to 6 by 3, that is 2. Therefore x equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Same answer. In the previous method, x equal to 2, y is equal to 1. In this method also, x equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So by equating either the coefficients of x or coefficients of y, you will get the same result. So this is the easy method in compared to this. But whichever is easy to you, you can follow either by equating the coefficients of x or by equating the coefficients of y. you can do this one.